the scale of what we're doing right now is huge. We normally take about a week to run all 80-something campuses, and we're doing it in 3 days, and we're carrying a ton of stuff. Gallon jugs of hand sanitizer, 16-ounce personal hand sanitizer bottles, face shields, cotton masks, which are reusable masks, the disposable masks. It's taken a team to do it. Luckily, we have great employees here that are working out in this heat daily from 7 o'clock in the morning until 5:30 in the evening, getting this stuff, the orders filled, the items out to the schools. If it wasn't for the guys doing their job, we wouldn't have been able to do it. Everything that we're purchasing has to come from somewhere, and everything that we're purchasing, the whole world is after. Luckily, we have this warehouse here that we had rented a couple of years ago for our new bond, and just because we can store this stuff, we're getting a lot more of it purchased. I know Fort Bend, we're prepared as much as possible, and I believe that we'll be able to start without any hesitation once everything's out. Our purchasing buyers are doing a wonderful job getting it all together and ordered, and it may come from 4 or 5 different vendors, but we're getting it in.